If you're experiencing sync issues on SentinelOne 2026, follow these straightforward steps to resolve them quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common sync problems. Step 1. Check network connectivity. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to sync issues. Test your connection by browsing the internet or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart SentinelOne services. Sometimes, simply restarting the SentinelOne services can resolve sync problems. Go to the Services Management console, find the SentinelOne service, and restart it. This can refresh the connection and prompt to sync. Step 3. Update SentinelOne. Make sure that you are running the latest version of SentinelOne. Check for updates in the application settings and install any available updates. New versions often contain bug fixes that can resolve sync issues. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data for the SentinelOne application can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing sync issues. Navigate to the application settings, find the storage options, and clear the cache and data. Step 5. Reinstall SentinelOne. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling SentinelOne. This can fix any underlying problems with the installation and restore proper functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve sync issues on SentinelOne 2026 efficiently. If problems persist, consider reaching out to technical support for further assistance.